Well, actually, before we had this facility, and we had missions every year, and whenever we had a mission, there will be a lot of patients that we have so many people from different parts of Visayas. And each time, they see, because the doctors have to check if they are pwede ba silang operahan. And then, at the end of the day, we will put the names of those that can be operated. And it was so heartbreaking to see so many parents cry when they don't see the names of the children. Because we can only do one mission a year. But now that we have this hospital, they don't have to cry. When they come here and the doctor says your child cannot be operated, then they can come the next week. So they said now they are not worried that their children cannot be operated because of this facility that we have. So we need your help. Please, we need your help to spread the word that we have this facility.
They can walk in here.
They can walk in here. And we have doctors here available to check on them. So please, tell everyone. We do this first, the gala, concentrate on the gala, and then the pickleball after. Okay?